As you navigate the winding paths of Sapa BANA hills, the mist transforms the landscape into a living painting. The distant echoes of nature and the subtle scent of damp earth add to the sensory tapestry, inviting you into a dreamscape. Approaching the lunar castle is like stepping into a realm between worlds. The fog shrouds the castle's spires, and as you explore its ethereal corridors, the mysterious atmosphere intensifies. The cable car awaits, emerging from the mist like a ghostly chariot. As you board, the world below disappears, swallowed by the thick fog. The cable car glides silently through the air, and through the mist, fleeting glimpses of treetops and valleys materialize, creating an ever-changing cinematic panorama. The iconic Golden Bridge, suspended in midair, appears like a pathway to the heavens. Walking upon it feels like traversing a celestial realm, with each step taking you through a cinematic sequence of fog-draped vistas and mysterious silhouettes. As the day gives way to twilight, the mist deepens, casting a surreal glow over the entire landscape. The play of light and shadow creates a cinematic tableau, where the lunar castle and golden bridge become silhouettes against the misty canvas. As you descend back to the base of Sapa BANA hills, the mist embraces you once more, completing the cinematic journey. The world around you fades into the fog, leaving you with a lingering sense of having traversed a realm where reality and fantasy intertwine, a journey etched in the mystical hues of Sapa BANA hills in the foggy weather.